mommy girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tana Brene, and I am doing today a bold purple smoky eye-ish glitterish makeup look. I don't know what to call it. I'm just gonna call her a purple smoky eye. Matter of fact, I'ma say he only want me for my pimp juice. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and just explain what I'm doing here, y'all. Excuse my crazy antics, okay? I'm gonna go in with that Too Faced foundation. I'm using the shade Maple. Just gonna stamp her in nice and evenly. Yes, honey, I love this brush. It just blends everything out so evenly. Now I'm gonna hop in with my Pat McGrath concealers. If you do not know already, baby, I'm Tana Brene, and Tana loves full coverage, all right? Some days I like my soft beats, but on this particular day, I was feeling like a queen or something. I don't know. I just wanted to be really dramatic today. So I went in with my Pat McGrath concealer for full coverage. In the inner corners, I'm applying my shade M17. On the outer corners, I believe I went in with the shade M18. The M stands for medium. Yes, okay. Doing my concealer this way just gives me more of a lifted eye, so I've been applying it this way for some reason. Doing a nose contour here with my Infallible concealer. I just love this shade of bronzer or contour, whichever you want to call it. It's not too harsh, it's not too much. It gives me a nice, pretty bronzy look. So I'm gonna go with this shade here. I believe it's Cocoa from Infallible. So I'm just still blending out my bronzer here. I'm not really a heavy contour girl, but I do like a nice bronzy face, baby. Don't get me wrong. Yes, baby, Modelesque. Yeah, I'm so goofy. I'm still gonna work in this concealer. I have a damp beauty blender here. The shade is about 2 shades lighter than my skin. You guys know that original rule here in makeup. So the under eye is gonna be a bit bright, but I'm telling you to always just trust the process, girl, because still working in that bronzer, getting everything just nice and seamless. All right, guys, going in with the brows. I know that I've been getting a lot of questions about what I use on my brows and how I do my brows. I have recently been using the Anastasia Duo Powder. It's lit. I love it. It works really good. It sticks to the skin. It's not all slippery and, gooey, and it's easy to maneuver and to use. I absolutely love the Anastasia Duo Powder. I use the shade Dark Brown. Here, I'm just following my natural hairline. I stay kind of below where the hair is actually growing. And then I just go in and connect those sparse hairs. I go into the front and give a seamless line straight across and kind of just drag those hairs up at the top, because the top of your brow hairs grow up. So you kind of want to fill them in like light strokes. light strokes, guys. I'm telling you, a light stroke with your brow application, you will have a flawless application. I know it seems like sometimes the product is not there, but with brows, you kind of just want to give more like a shadow effect, like a smooth shadow gradient effect in a sense with the brow, because once you go in and shape it with your concealer, that gives you, that gives you the actual shape of your brow when you conceal it. So don't stress yourself too much about how it looks when you draw it, because shaping it is what gives that brow, you know, that flavor. It's what gives that brow that nice curve and that complete full slate look. I'm going to continue to take strokes of my concealer. I believe I did go in with the, I may be using the MILF concealer here on my actual brow lid. I believe I'm using the shade Tan Neutral. But yeah, I'm going to take a flat, extremely old brush that I got from Shop Miss A. This brush is $1. I'm going to take that brush and just pat in my concealer over the whole entire lid. As you can see, I'm kind of staying soft in the front because I don't want to take away my nose contour. And I'm going to exaggerate that line very softly at the tail. Pack that color in the middle and just give it, you know, a nice, even, complete, smooth eye application. You want this part to be completely smooth. So again, I'm going to repeat the same steps on this side of my brow. I'm going to carve her out. Again, I'm going to extend that concealer past my wing because I want my brow to look a little bit longer. That kind of fits my face better than having a short brow with no tail. It looks weird to me. So yeah, I'm staying really close to the brow line where I drew. That gives it just a nice shape, guys. So just don't go into the brow hairs. Just take small strokes and you'll be fine. It does take practice. You're not going to get it the first time. It's not going to be perfect the first time, I promise. But it's practice make perfect. Trust and believe. I'm going to continue to pack that shade in.
Baby, wanna fuck with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time.
Cause I was finna turn up on y'all. Oh my God, y'all. So this camera, I have a love-hate relationship with it. The whole time I was filming my eyeshadow, my camera was not recording. So I just patted in this purple shade from Playing the Makeup by Yolando. I used one shade on my whole lid and just kind of mixed that in. Here we have the glitter flakes from Bella Block Cosmetics, you guys. They have recently been sending me PR. This is my first legit PR from a real makeup company, and I absolutely love them. You guys, they are freaking amazing. Products are nothing but amazing. So you will be seeing me use them a lot throughout my channel. But for this glitter look, I did not apply an adhesive. I wanted it to be really just soft and sultry. I didn't want anything super harsh at all. Here, since I didn't use an adhesive, I had the glitter kind of flying everywhere. We're gonna go in with the water activated liners. Oh my God, I just got these from a black owned company called Fleeky Friday. Shout out to Sharice, my girl. I recently purchased these a few months ago and I'm just making my way around to use them. So basically it's a water activated liner. All you need is a cup of water, a small, precise wing brush. I'm not sure what to call this little wing brush here. And dip it in the water, put it inside the liner, and oh my God, it is the smoothest freaking liner on earth. I absolutely love it. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music and you guys can see me do this wing and this other eyelash.
The city ducking one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in a free time. Make a little weed time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. the digits hit it that night. And I shine like a star, he a flashlight. Keep my energy and cash right. I be turtlenecked up cause the ice on my collar got it freezing. It ain't even that season. You came with a lane but you left with a winner, that's treason. But a good enough reason. Brand new denim two-tone like I just went tanning. I know.
So, oh my god, I've been using this Pat McGrath highlighter kit. I love it. Like, every shade is so pretty. But I'm gonna go in with this gold shade here, and I'm gonna pop that highlighter in between my blush and my bronzer. Just nice and a subtle highlighter. I'm not a big crazy highlight girl no more. I've kind of outgrown that, but a nice, sweet, subtle glow is pretty to me. Now we're gonna go in with my crayon case matte lipstick. This is the color We That, period, because I'm that, she that, period. It's absolutely beautiful. Pigment on top of pigment, okay? Like, stunning. Alright, sis is about to go ahead and spray her shapers all over my hair. I'm gonna do a quick flat iron. I don't really have much to fix, so it's just gonna be a quick flat iron. Here, I'm gonna just play a tune for you to chill to, girl. Hey, MILF Mommy, how you doing? We are done with our finished look, baby. I'm looking like Pimp Nasty in this motherfucker or something. I absolutely love the finished results. At first I was like, oh my god, I don't know about this, but you know, you gotta trust the process. But baby, if you're still here, go ahead and hit that bell, subscribe to my channel, because I will be back with more beautiful looks. Thanks for tuning out with me today, jamming out with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me.